Hello beautiful people, hope you guys are doing great. Today I will be showing you all how to make an Igbo delicacy called Abacha African salad. So here we have our dried cassava, and here we have our dry or smoked fish and also palm oil. Here we have our ogiri okpei and our pepper, and also our potash. Here we have our crayfish, uziza, which is known as the Benin pepper. We have our black pepper and ehuru, which is known as calabash nutmeg. We will also be adding our vegetables, which are the cucumber, onion, and our tomatoes. Here we have our dried cassava inside a bowl, and we'll be adding our hot water. Make sure that this hot water is being added and the cassava submerges inside this hot water. Leave it for 4 to 5 minutes to soften, or you can leave it whenever it softens. You will want to be straining out excess water in the sieve. Here we will be adding hot water again into our dried fish just to soften it. You wouldn't want to be eating a hard fish. So we will be blending our ingredients. Now we'll be making our sauce. Add your palm oil inside your pan. And then go in with your dissolved potash. Make sure at this stage you do not heat it so that it does not stop the potency of the potash. As you can see, it's turning into yellow. And then go in with your blended ingredients. Give it a thorough mix at this particular time. Keep on stirring as you add your ingredients. So go in with your salt and then your onion. And then I'll be adding my ogirisi or ogiri okpei. We know it smells so nice. Then go in finally with your dried cassava, which is already soft. Is this recipe not simple? Very, very simple. Give it a thorough mix and heat it on fire for a few minutes just to get it hot. Then dish out your meal. So I will be decorating it with my fish, onion, cucumber, and then my tomatoes. If you know you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I'll be loading you with more videos